Digit is a human-sized robot created by Agility Robotics to work alongside people in places like warehouses, factories, and delivery centers. First launched in 2020, the robot was originally headless, but the latest version now includes a head with sensors and expressive eyes to make its movements easier for humans to understand. Standing 5 feet 9 inches tall and walking on 2 legs, Digit is designed to fit and move around in spaces built for humans. It can walk, crouch, step over small obstacles, and perform simple movements with ease. Digit's updated hands make it better at picking up plastic bins and other items often used in warehouse settings. It can lift and move objects weighing up to 35 pounds, helping with repetitive tasks that are physically demanding for people. This robot isn't just about cool tech, it's built to take on real-world jobs and improve efficiency in everyday work environments. Festo, a company famous for its robotic animals, has created a new robotic fish called Arracuda. This fish moves just like a real one, thanks to its fins, motors, and special liquid muscles. These muscles are made from stretchy rubber hoses and strong aramid fiber, using compressed air to mimic how natural muscles stretch and contract. These mechanical muscles control the fish's movements, letting it swim smoothly through water. The rear fin is powered by 2 muscles, while 2 others steer the fish, allowing it to maneuver easily, even in deep waters. Inside the robotic fish is a swimming bladder that helps control the air pressure, keeping it moving. To operate the Arracuda for 30 minutes, it needs 400 liters of compressed air. Aqua Jelly. Aqua Jelly is an autonomous robotic jellyfish designed to move and adapt just like a real jellyfish. It's powered by an electric system and features a transparent dome with 8 LED-lit tentacles, making it look lifelike. Inside, Aqua Jelly has a motor, lithium-ion batteries, a navigation system, and 2 servo motors to control its movement. The robot keeps track of its battery life, and when it's running low, it automatically sends a signal to its charging station on the surface and swims back to recharge. Aqua Jelly communicates with other robots using a radio band above water and switches to infrared lights underwater, with a range of about 3 feet. This allows it to detect nearby robots and dodge out of the way if needed. With both environmental and internal sensors, Aqua Jelly can measure its energy levels and depth underwater, ensuring smooth and efficient operation at all times. Atlas, Boston Dynamics' next-gen humanoid robot. Atlas is a 330-pound humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics. Designed as a research platform, it's built to handle a variety of real-world tasks like search and rescue, disaster response, and moving items in challenging environments. This robot runs on a powerful hydraulic system and has 28 degrees of freedom, which means it can move its arms, legs, and joints with impressive flexibility. Atlas can walk, jump, do backflips, and even climb stairs with balance and control. It also has hands that can grab and carry objects, making it highly versatile. Though still in development, Atlas is already showing what the future of robotics might look like. Boston Dynamics continues to improve its features, pushing the limits of what robots can do. From helping during emergencies to performing tough physical tasks, Atlas is a remarkable step forward in robotics, showing just how close we are to having machines that can move and act like humans. Bicycle Robot, a robot that rides like a pro. The bicycle robot is an incredible mix of smart tech and perfect balance. While riding a bike is easy for most people, it's a huge challenge for machines. But these robots pull it off with amazing skill. From early Japanese robots like Murata Boy and Primer V2 to today's advanced models like the Ultra Mobility Vehicle, these bots can pedal, steer, brake, and even ride backward without any human help. They stay upright and balanced using gyroscopes, smart controllers, and real-time AI. Some engineers and hobbyists have even built their own versions using Arduino and custom wheels, proving it's possible to blend creativity with robotics. This isn't just for fun. It's a powerful showcase of what robots can do. Teaching a robot to ride a bike shows just how advanced modern robotics has become. What seems like a simple human task becomes a true tech achievement when done by a machine. Capra Robotics. Capra Hercules is a powerful and flexible outdoor robot created by Capra Robotics. Built on their patented chassis design, this mobile robot is made to carry all kinds of loads with ease. Thanks to its strong engine and flexible frame, Capra can handle rough terrain and city streets alike. It's perfect for tasks that need mobility and strength, whether in a forest, construction site, or urban setting. What makes it even more useful is its smart tech. It runs on the ROS 2 operating system, which allows you to easily connect other tools or equipment. You can also control it remotely and send it to a specific location automatically. It works with systems based on the VDA 5050 protocol, so the robot can follow a set path on its own, making it great for automated jobs and smart logistics. Whether you're moving gear or exploring tough environments, Capra gets the job done. Centauro. Centauro is a rescue robot built like a modern centaur, with 4 legs and strong arms to help it quickly reach victims in need. Its legs can move in many directions, making it great at navigating different kinds of terrain. The arms are not just for lifting heavy objects. They can also break through barriers like wooden walls, lifting up to 11 kilograms each. The team behind Centauro is working to make it even more versatile, teaching it how to walk and climb over rough, challenging ground. When fully charged, it can work for about 2.5 hours. Funded by the European Commission, Centauro is designed to be a game-changer in rescue missions. The big question is it a waste of resources, or is it a promising tool for future rescue operations? What do you think? Charlie is a robot monkey that's turning heads with its impressive agility. It walks on all 4s like a real monkey, but can also stand steadily on 2 legs. Even if it's pushed or walking on uneven ground, Charlie keeps its balance, and if it falls, it gets right back up. Thanks to its flexible spine, its movements and turns look smooth and lifelike. Surprisingly, the German Aerospace Center helped fund this robot with hopes that robots like Charlie could one day explore places like the moon. Meanwhile, over in China, dolphin shows face challenges after stricter animal import rules following the COVID-19 pandemic. One dolphinarium decided to try something new. They hired the New Zealand-based Edge Innovations team to create a robotic dolphin. The result is stunning. This robot dolphin looks and moves so realistically that it's hard to tell it's not alive. It cost around $60 million to develop, but that's actually cheaper than keeping a live dolphin, with no need for special care or training. The robotic dolphin is controlled by an operator and can perform for up to 10 hours on a single charge, offering a high-tech, animal-friendly alternative for marine shows. Let me know if you'd like it even more casual or playful. China's firefighting robot dogs, a new kind of hero. China's firefighting robot dogs are bringing a big change to how we fight fires. Built by companies like Unitree and Deep Robotics, these 4-legged robots are strong, smart, and ready for danger. They're equipped with thermal cameras to see through smoke, gas sensors to detect harmful fumes, and powerful water cannons that can spray up to 60 meters. These robots can climb stairs, walk through rubble, and work in places too dangerous for humans. In cities across China, they're already helping firefighters. By going into burning buildings or hazardous areas first, they reduce the risk to real people and help teams respond faster. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie, but these robots are real and they're saving lives today. Cyberdog 2, Xiaomi's smart and playful robot companion. Cyberdog 2 is Xiaomi's next-generation 4-legged robot, designed to be a smart, fun, and helpful companion. It can follow voice commands, perform tricks, and even assist with simple tasks around the house. Powered by the advanced NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX AI chip, Cyberdog 2 can learn from its surroundings and respond intelligently. It's equipped with multiple sensors, including an RGB camera, a depth camera, and ultrasonic sensors, so it can see clearly and move safely through different environments. This robot can walk, run, jump, and perform smooth, agile movements. You can easily control it using a smartphone app, and for tech enthusiasts or developers, it can be programmed using Xiaomi's Python SDK to carry out custom tasks. Although still in development, CyberDog 2 gives us an exciting glimpse into the future of robotics, where smart, interactive machines could become part of our everyday lives. Whether for fun, learning, or light assistance, CyberDog 2 brings technology to life in an engaging and practical way. The Da Vinci Psy is a cutting-edge robotic system that helps surgeons perform highly precise surgeries. It uses multiple robotic arms that can move with more flexibility than the human hand, allowing for delicate movements during complex procedures. The surgeon controls everything from a nearby console, using hand and foot controls while viewing a 3D, high-definition image of the surgical area. This setup improves accuracy, reduces strain on the surgeon, and enhances overall safety during the operation. Importantly, the robot doesn't make any decisions on its own. It only moves when directed by the surgeon, who remains in full control throughout the entire procedure. Salt Lake Regional is proud to be Utah's first accredited center of excellence in robotic surgery. This recognition reflects our commitment to providing advanced, robot-assisted procedures that offer better outcomes and faster recovery for patients across the state. The EDAG CityBot is a smart, multitasking robot built for modern cities. It's fully autonomous and can work non-stop, handling many jobs by switching between different tools and trailers. From delivering packages to cleaning streets and collecting trash, this robot does it all. It's designed to work around the clock, helping cities run more smoothly without human drivers or delays. What makes CityBot stand out is its ability to solve real urban problems. It helps reduce traffic, supports better city planning, and creates new business opportunities. It's not just about mobility, it's about building smarter, more efficient cities. The design is sleek and futuristic, showing off both style and advanced tech. With the power of digital traffic control, these robots can move in sync, helping to ease congestion and improve daily life in busy areas. EDAG CityBot is a big leap toward cleaner, smarter, and more connected urban living. A robot with no electronics, just air and smart design. Researchers at UC San Diego have built a robot that works without any electronics. No motors, no batteries, no wires. It's fully 3D printed in one single piece and powered by air. This six-legged robot walks using compressed air that flows through special channels inside its body. These channels act like a simple mechanical brain, guiding its movement. Inspired by turtles, it can walk on sand, grass, and even underwater. It can also adjust its steps automatically when it faces obstacles or rough terrain. What's even more impressive, it costs less than $20 to make. Because it doesn't rely on electronics, this robot is perfect for harsh environments, like disaster areas, deep underground, or places with strong radiation, where regular robots might stop working. It's not just a cool invention, it shows how simple, low-cost robots could help in tough situations. This creation proves that sometimes the smartest solutions don't need complex tech. Evologic's Quadroin. Introducing Quadroin, a robot designed like a penguin to explore the deep ocean. It can dive down to 150 meters and collect important data to help scientists understand the sea better. This robo-penguin swims at 18.5 kilometers per hour and can stay active for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But Quadroin is more than just a fast swimmer. It comes with all the tools needed for ocean research. It measures key factors like temperature, oxygen levels, and pressure. It also has 2 HD cameras to stream video and sonar to scan the seabed. Need to carry extra equipment? Quadroin can hold up to 3 kilograms of gear. The best part is that all the data it collects can be sent via Wi-Fi or, if necessary, through an optional Iridium satellite, making Quadroin a reliable and powerful resource for ocean exploration. Flying Bionic Bird. The Flying Bionic Bird is no ordinary drone. It flies by flapping its wings, just like a real bird. With its sleek dark gray body, beak, and eyes, it looks so real that other birds might even fly alongside it. Its wings flap 18 times per second, while the tail guides its direction and balance. Built with a tough, flexible synthetic material, this bird can handle scratches, bumps, and even surprise attacks from curious animals. The wings are made from strong, lightweight carbon fiber, allowing it to glide smoothly and perform cool tricks in the air. Weighing just 9.2 grams and powered by a tiny 1.6 gram battery, it's both light and powerful. It charges in a fun egg-shaped charger, and you can control it easily with a free app on iOS or Android. Choose between simple mode for easy flying or expert mode for more control. It can fly up to 330 feet away with 6 minutes of flight at top speed or 7.5 minutes at normal speed. A full charge takes about an hour to 75 minutes. Would you like this tailored more for a video voiceover or written content? Introducing the Giraffe Nap, a groundbreaking napping box that lets you take a peaceful nap while standing. Designed by Koyoku Plywood Corporation, the Giraffe Nap ensures comfort without messing with your posture, with padded supports for your head, back, shins, and feet. The inside of the pod can be personalized to create your ideal nap environment, with adjustable lighting, air quality, and soundproofing. There are 2 designs to choose from: the Forest model, which has a calming, sauna-like feel, and the Spacia model, inspired by a high-tech space shuttle. Both come with height-adjustable armrests and washable seats, making them perfect for use in workplaces, cafes, or even airports. Starting January 23, 2024, you can reserve your very own Giraffe Nap through the company's website. It's the perfect solution for anyone who needs a quick, relaxing power nap on the go. Huinit is an innovative AI-powered robotic arm designed to boost creativity, precision, and productivity right from your desk. Whether you're an artist, engineer, maker, or hobbyist, this versatile tool adapts to your needs with its swappable attachments, like a 3D printer, laser engraver, pen plotter, and even a smart camera with AI vision. Thanks to its powerful motors and accurate movement tracking, Huinit can draw, engrave, print, and recognize faces or objects using its built-in AI camera. It's easy to control through voice commands, a touchscreen, or by connecting it with platforms like Arduino and Python, making it accessible for both beginners and tech enthusiasts. With its sleek, compact design, Huinit easily fits in your studio, classroom, or home office. It's more than just a robotic arm. It's a personal creative assistant that helps you turn ideas into reality while saving space on your desk. Jizai Arms is a futuristic wearable robot developed by the University of Tokyo that lets you control up to 6 extra arms. Worn like a backpack, these robotic limbs move with your body and respond in real time to your gestures, making it feel like they're a natural part of you. The name Jizai comes from a Japanese word meaning freedom and creativity, and that's exactly what this system offers. It's already been tested by dancers, performers, and engineers, proving useful in everything from art and entertainment to rescue missions and factory work. Whether it's for lifting, multitasking, or creating something new, Jizai Arms opens up exciting possibilities. It blends the human body with robotic tech in a way that feels smooth, smart, and incredibly useful. This isn't just about having extra limbs, it's about rethinking what humans can do when technology moves with us. The Kabutom RX-03 Robotic Beetle. The Kabutom RX-03 is an incredible feat of engineering, made even more amazing by the fact that it was built by just one man. Japanese engineer Hitoshi Takahashi, at 60 years old, spent 11 years bringing this giant robotic beetle to life. And it's no small project. This mechanical marvel is 11 meters long, weighs 17 tons, and looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not just a display piece. The Kabutom RX-03 can actually move and even releases puffs of smoke for extra flair. It's designed to be controlled remotely or driven from inside the cockpit, making it both functional and interactive. After more than a decade of dedication, Takahashi's dream became reality, and his giant beetle never fails to turn heads. The Komodo 03 robot chassis is designed to take on a wide range of tasks, from logistics to patrolling and even photography. This version can carry up to 100 kilograms and is powered by a brushless motor, able to operate in extreme temperatures from 60 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Though it's not the fastest with a top speed of 5 kilometers per hour, the Komodo 03 shines in other areas. It boasts 20 centimeters of ground clearance, allowing it to handle 30-degree stairs and slopes. With a low center of gravity and a strong suspension system similar to a tank, this robot chassis is built to conquer tough terrain and difficult environments. Lamborghini V12 Vision GT, a glimpse of tomorrow's supercar. The Lamborghini V12 Vision GT is a jaw-dropping concept car that looks like it belongs in a futuristic movie. Designed for the Gran Turismo video game, this single-seater supercar features the same hybrid engine found in the Lamborghini Sian. Its design is bold and unlike anything you've seen. The driver sits alone in the center, entering through the front, like climbing into a fighter jet. The body is sleek and separated from the fenders, giving it a floating, ultra-modern look. At the back, it features 6 exhaust pipes, 3 on each side, and a razor-thin tail light that stretches into a massive rear wing, inspired by Lamborghini's Terzo Millennio concept. Powering this beast is a 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with a high-tech supercapacitor, producing a thrilling 774 horsepower. Unveiled ahead of the 2019 FIA Gran Turismo Championships, the V12 Vision GT isn't just a concept. It's Lamborghini showing off what the future of speed and style could look like.
Lumo goes golfing. Lumo, the smart little robot that made a name for itself as a shopping helper, is now hitting the golf course, and it's making quite the impression. Picture a mini, self-balancing Segway with a cute body on top. That's Lumo. But don't let its size fool you. This clever robot is more than just a golf bag on wheels. Lumo comes loaded with built-in cameras and smart AI, allowing it to follow you smoothly around the golf course. Your clubs stay close at all times, ready whenever you need them. But that's not all. Lumo can even analyze your golf swing and offer helpful suggestions to improve your game. No more guessing if your form is right or wrong. Your robotic caddy has your back. And unlike a human companion, Lumo never complains, loses focus, or gets bored. If you hit a ball into the sand trap or need a moment to regroup, Lumo just patiently waits, always ready to roll when you are. Whether you're a casual player or serious about improving your golf skills, Lumo brings fun, tech, and a touch of futuristic charm to your day on the green.
The Manta Droid is a robotic ray that's revolutionizing ocean research. Designed to explore underwater, it looks like a giant manta ray, also known as a devilfish. The creators chose the manta ray as inspiration because it's one of the most graceful and efficient swimmers in the ocean. By mimicking the manta ray's shape and movement, Manta Droid can swim smoothly at 2.5 kilometers per hour for up to 10 hours. It's equipped with sensors, making it an invaluable tool for scientists studying marine life, and for rescue teams during search and recovery missions. This robot is opening up exciting new possibilities for underwater exploration and rescue operations. Miro is a small, high-tech robotic fish that's both practical and fun to watch. It can dive as deep as 165 feet to help scientists explore underwater environments. But thanks to its bright colors, glowing LED lights, and incredibly lifelike swimming, it's also a favorite attraction for visitors and tourists. This clever little robot moves gracefully through the water, powered by 2 motors. It's equipped with 4 infrared sensors that help it detect and avoid obstacles, so it can navigate smoothly without bumping into things. But what really makes Miro exciting is that you can control it yourself. By wearing special glasses and using a controller, you get a first-person view of its underwater adventure, almost like you're swimming right there with it. Miro is the perfect blend of technology, entertainment, and exploration, bringing the underwater world closer than ever. Are you planning to use this description for a video, article, or something else? Miroki, your helpful and friendly robot buddy. Miroki is a social robot created by the French company Enchanted Tools. It's built to offer support and comfort in busy places like hospitals, airports, and public spaces. With a friendly face and smooth movements, Meroki rolls around on a round base and interacts using speech and gestures. It's designed to make people feel at ease and bring a sense of companionship wherever it goes. Although still in development, Meroki has already been tested in hospitals, and the results are exciting. It has helped reduce stress and anxiety in patients and made it easier for them to talk with medical staff. Enchanted Tools plans to make Meroki even more fun and engaging by adding features like games and storytelling. The goal is to create a robot that's not just useful, but also a comforting presence for anyone who needs a friendly face and a little emotional support. Paris-based company Enchanted Tools is introducing a new type of friendly humanoid robot inspired by the playful charm of Pixar characters. Their robots, Meroki and Maraka, are designed to look cute and approachable, with pointy ears and expressive cat-like faces that make them feel almost alive. These robots are made to assist in busy places like hospitals, nursing homes, and hotels by helping move things around easily. Meroki and Maraka work the same way, but Meroki is designed to look like a boy, while Maraka looks like a girl, adding a personal touch to their appearance. What makes them really impressive is their ability to grab objects with special handles, achieving a 97% success rate in picking up items. They navigate smoothly using a rolling globe, which lets them move around effortlessly and safely. With their adorable looks and helpful skills, Meroki and Maraka are designed to make everyday tasks simpler and more enjoyable, bringing a bit of magic and a lot of support to the places they serve. Keeping with the Japanese theme, let's meet Moflin, a robotic emotional support pet that's part guinea pig, part tribble from Star Trek. It's made for cuddles and to show off just how advanced AI has become. Moflin is designed to connect with its owner. As time passes, it learns to recognize them and reacts to their movements. It enjoys being spoken to and even listens when you need to vent, helping you unwind and forget about the day's stress. Would you pay $738 for this adorable, stress-relieving companion? Mondo Spider. The Mondo Spider is a fascinating robot that never fails to grab attention. What makes it stand out is how it walks, using a clever mechanism called a clan linkage. This unique design lets it move in a way that's part walking machine, part wheeled vehicle, giving it smooth, spider-like motion. Believe it or not, the very first version of Mondo Spider was built out of wood. Later, it got a major upgrade with a sturdy steel frame. But the improvements didn't stop there. Eventually, the robot switched to running on batteries, making it cleaner and more efficient. Thanks to this upgrade, the Mondo Spider earned the title of the world's first zero-emission walking machine. It's not just a robot, it's a fun blend of art, engineering, and eco-friendly innovation, showing how creativity and technology can come together in unexpected ways. NASA Eels. Enceladus, Saturn's sixth largest moon, is fascinating because it hides an ocean beneath its icy surface. Where there's water, there could be life, making it a crucial target for study. But how do you explore a place so extreme with temperatures reaching 200 degrees Celsius? The answer is robots. Meet Eels, a snake-like robot designed for into the mission, Enceladus. At 4 meters long and weighing 100 kilograms, Eels is built to dig into the moon's surface. What makes it stand out are its 10 flexible segments, each with spiral elements that allow it to move effortlessly. With cameras and sensors, Eels can find the best route as it burrows through the ground. It can even drill through ice to collect samples for analysis, helping scientists uncover the secrets of this mysterious moon. Meet Neogamma, a brand new humanoid robot from Norwegian company 1X Technologies, formerly Halodi Robotics. And no, it has nothing to do with the Wii software by the same name. Neogamma is made to live with you and help out at home. It can handle daily chores and even keep you company. It moves just like a person, walking with natural arm swings, sitting, squatting, and using its flexible hands to pick up and hold everyday objects. To look friendly and feel safe around, Neogamma wears a soft 3D printed nylon suit. It also has glowing earrings that light up when it's listening or talking. With built-in microphones and speakers, it can hear your voice and talk back clearly. Powered by its own smart AI, NeoGamma can hold smooth conversations and even use lifelike body language. It's also trained with motion capture and visual AI, so it can recognize and interact with things around it. Best part? It's super quiet, about as loud as a fridge. Starting in early 2025, 1X will test NeoGamma in real homes with a small group of users. Some tests might include remote control to help it learn and become more independent. Pluribot, created by BioRob, is an incredible bionic robot that mimics the movements of a salamander. To make its movements as lifelike as possible, the developers used X-ray images to study the salamander's motion in great detail. Just like the real thing, Pluribot is highly agile, able to move across tough terrain, and even swim. Its waterproof skin lets it stay underwater for long periods, making it perfect for search and rescue missions. One of the robot's standout features is its ability to control each joint separately, similar to the way a salamander's nervous system works. Thanks to a neural network, it can replicate precise movements and perform complex tasks that a real salamander can't. BioRob's team has even bigger plans for the future, and is working on more advanced robots. Maybe even a robotic dinosaur soon. Realistic robot gaze. Giving robots a realistic gaze is a big step toward making them feel more human and easier to interact with. It's not just about pointing their eyes, it's about copying the way our eyes naturally move. Human eyes are always active. They quickly jump from one spot to another, called saccades, focus on objects, track movement, and adjust depth when switching between near and far things. A lifelike robot gaze tries to do all of this, but it goes even deeper. Realistic robot eyes also change pupil size, depending on the light, and sometimes even react to emotional cues. They blink naturally at just the right moments, with the right speed, so it doesn't look stiff or robotic. To make the gaze feel truly human, the robot's head moves slightly with its eyes, just like we do. These small touches make a big difference. All of this helps robots seem more alive, more relatable, and more comfortable to interact with. Beater Technology, founded in 2016, is pushing the boundaries of flight by creating robots with wings like real birds. They've already developed a robotic seagull that can soar through the air for about 10 minutes, and now they're experimenting with new models like this striking red-crowned crane robot. At first glance, these robotic birds might seem a little strange flying overhead, but they hold incredible promise. By mimicking how real birds move, these machines could help scientists better understand bird flight and lead to exciting advances in biomimetic technology, where nature's designs inspire new innovations. It's a fascinating blend of engineering and biology, opening doors to smarter, more natural-looking flying robots. The Ridroid Kangaroo is a futuristic, rideable robot that doubles as a personal scooter. It's designed to be your smart travel buddy, following you around when you walk and transforming into a scooter when you're ready to ride. Inspired by the shape of a kangaroo, the Kangaroo doesn't hop but rolls smoothly at a calm pace of up to 6 miles per hour, 10 kilometers per hour. It can also be controlled remotely using your smartphone or tablet, making it super easy and fun to use. When it's time to ride, Kangaroo automatically shifts into scooter mode, no lifting or adjusting needed. It even features a special body sonic system that gently vibrates to let you feel how fast you're going, adding a cool, interactive experience. Whether you're commuting, cruising through the park, or just showing off a bit of high-tech fun, the Ridroid Kangaroo offers a unique, eco-friendly way to move around. RoboBees. RoboBees are incredible, tiny flying robots, some of the smallest and lightest flying machines ever made. Each one is no bigger than a paperclip and weighs just 0.1 grams. With their 2 flapping wings, they fly and move through the air just like real bees. Even though they're not completely wireless, they stay connected to a base with thin, clear cables, they're still amazing to watch. Their wings flap 120 times per second, mimicking the speed and movement of real insects. But flying isn't their only skill. These tiny robots can also land gently on water and swim for a short time. Underwater, their wing speed slows down to 9 flaps per second. A smart control system helps guide them, using cameras to track their position and send flying commands. Robo-bees are an incredible blend of technology and nature, showing just how far innovation can go. Would you like this phrased more casually, formally, or tailored for a specific audience? The Robo-Crab. The Robo-Crab is a one-of-a-kind robot inspired by one of the oldest creatures on Earth, the Ziphisura. Designed to move on small legs, it pushes itself across surfaces, mimicking the way a real crab moves. If it accidentally flips over, the Robo-Crab uses its movable tail to flip back onto its feet, just like a real crab would do. This robot is also built to handle water with ease. It's fully capable of moving through shallow waters, making it perfect for a variety of tasks in wet environments. Whether it's navigating tricky surfaces or working in underwater locations, the Robo-Crab's unique design and mobility make it incredibly versatile. With its sturdy construction and ability to get back on track if flipped over, the Robo-Crab is a valuable tool for many different applications, especially in environments where traditional robots might struggle. Roboa. Roboa is a groundbreaking snake-like robot created by researchers at ETH Zurich, Switzerland. Built to move through pipes, narrow spaces, and hard-to-reach areas, this flexible robot is designed for challenging environments, especially places where even the smallest spark could be dangerous. Thanks to its soft body and advanced air-powered system, Roboa can safely explore spaces that other robots can't. It can stretch up to 100 meters and comes equipped with a microphone and speaker, making it possible to communicate with trapped victims during emergencies. What started as a student project has now gained serious backing through a Pioneer Fellowship, moving it closer to real-world applications. In the near future, Roboa could become an essential tool in rescue missions, helping save lives in situations where time and safety are critical. Lampreys haven't changed much over millions of years, so why not use them as inspiration for robot design? That's exactly what happened with Agnatha-X. This robotic lamprey is helping scientists understand how nervous systems work. Agnatha-X has both a central and peripheral nervous system, and tests have shown it swims best when both are active. It also handles problems like sensor failures much better. The data gathered from these tests is important not just for neurobiology, but also for the future of swimming robots. It's a great step forward in both science and robotics. Russell, the 5-meter robotic giraffe. Meet Russell, a 5-meter-tall robotic giraffe that can walk, talk, and even give rides to up to 30 people. But that's not all. Russell is also a fun learning tool. Instead of just listening to a boring lecture about gears, kids can interact with Russell, making it easier for them to remember the information. It's an exciting, hands-on way to learn. Maybe one day, some of these kids will grow up to create robotic giraffe necks like Russell's. For now, the experts at the Tokyo Institute of Technology are the ones making it happen. They're using artificial muscles, 3D printed vertebrae, and a skull that weighs almost half a kilo to build Russell. Developments like these are key to making large robots and prove that nature isn't just inspiration, it's a guide to future technology. Robotic snake. The robotic snake, created by the Norwegian Institute of Science and Technology, is built for underwater tasks. It's designed to observe and repair oil facilities, record videos, and explore sunken ships. Right now, it's controlled by a cable, but in the future, it will swim and work independently, without needing an external signal. Thanks to its flexible design, this robotic snake can fit into tight spaces that other equipment can't reach. It's a simple, cost-effective tool for handling basic tasks underwater. The robot can inspect underwater areas, light up dark spots, clean structures, and even screw in nuts and valves, making it a handy tool for various tasks. Robotic whale shark Shanghai Haichang Ocean Park is home to the world's first robotic whale shark. When it first appeared, some visitors weren't too thrilled, Some even asked for their money back. But this robot wasn't just built for fun. Since Chinese law bans hunting and selling real whale sharks, the park came up with this high-tech alternative to let people experience the wonder without harming wildlife. The robot itself is pretty incredible. It's 4.7 meters long and doesn't just swim in circles like a simple machine. It can dive as deep as 10 meters, open and close its mouth, and even move its gills just like a real shark. The RoboShark can swim on its own or be guided by a remote operator, making it both lifelike and interactive. It's a smart solution that blends technology with conservation, and it's definitely a unique sight. Would you be curious enough to buy a ticket and see it in action? Roombots are a game changer in home design, created by engineers from Switzerland and Portugal. These robots let you easily change your furniture layout whenever you want. They can transform into different furniture pieces, or even move your existing furniture around. Each Roombot has 3 electric motors, making it highly mobile. This is a huge advantage for people with limited mobility, health conditions, or age-related challenges. For example, a robotic chair can change into a recliner, allowing someone to lie down more comfortably. Got any ideas for how Roombots could work in your home? Share them in the comments. Scorpion Hexapod Robot. Meet the Scorpion Hexapod Robot, a robot that looks and moves just like a real scorpion. Created by 3 students from the University of Ghent in Belgium, this incredible machine was built using advanced technology. Its legs and tail were made with a 3D printer, while its frame is crafted from strong plastic plates with hidden pipes to organize the wires inside. Everything is tightly held together with special clips. This robot isn't just for show. It can crawl in any direction, climb over obstacles, grab objects with its claws, and even attack using its tail, just like a real scorpion. It's equipped with infrared sensors and a front camera to help it detect and avoid obstacles. And here's the coolest part. When it strikes with its tail, it leaves a red ink mark to show exactly where it hit. It's completely safe for humans, but it shows off the robot's powerful and lifelike movements. A perfect mix of technology and nature, this Scorpion robot is both fascinating and a little spooky. Do you plan to use this for a video voiceover or written post? Skyline Robotics. As cities rise higher and buildings get more complex, keeping those tall glass walls clean is becoming a real challenge. That's where Skyline Robotics comes in, with smart tech that makes high-rise window cleaning safer and easier. Their breakthrough robot, Osmo, is the world's first high-rise window cleaning robot. It's changing the game in a $40 billion industry by doing the job faster, more safely, and more efficiently than humans. No more workers dangling from ropes. Osmo handles the task with precision and care. Skyline Robotics helps building owners, property managers, and maintenance teams keep their buildings spotless while reducing risk and saving time. It's a smart, modern solution for a very old problem. And Skyline's mission doesn't stop at windows. They believe dangerous jobs at heights should be left to machines, so people can focus on safer, more meaningful work. Osmo is just the beginning of their big vision to automate risky jobs and create a safer future. Slothbot. Meet Slothbot, a unique robot tested at the Atlanta Botanical Garden in the US. Unlike most robots, it's not in a hurry. Its main job is to gather important data, like tracking weather and carbon dioxide levels. For this kind of work, slow and steady is better than fast. Slothbot runs entirely on solar power, using its panels to stay charged. It can be seen moving along a cable to find the best spot to recharge. But most of the time, it just hangs there, completely still. By conserving energy this way, developers believe Slothbot can continue working for months or even years. This practical, eco-friendly design allows Slothbot to collect valuable data over long periods, making it a great example of technology that's both efficient and sustainable. Snake Robot, slithering into danger so humans don't have to. The Snake Robot is a clever, flexible machine designed to go where humans and normal robots can't. Inspired by the way real snakes move, it can twist and slither through tight spaces like narrow pipes, collapsed buildings, and dangerous environments. Built by experts from ETH Zurich and the University of Southern Denmark, this robot uses soft, spark-free materials and runs on air-powered actuators instead of electricity. That means it's safe to use even in explosive or unstable areas. It's made for tough jobs like search and rescue, disaster response, and checking equipment in hard-to-reach places. Whether it's crawling through rubble to help locate trapped people or delivering tools deep inside dangerous zones, this robot is changing how we handle emergencies. Lightweight, flexible, and fearless, the Snake robot proves that in some situations, the best heroes don't walk, they crawl. The Futuristic Freeride is a unique snow bike made for wild winter rides and rough terrain. It's lightweight at just 45 kilograms, so one person can lift it or drag it over obstacles if needed. You can take it apart in just 5 minutes, and it fits easily in a car trunk, perfect for travel and adventure. This powerful little machine isn't just for snow. It also handles sand, gravel, and swampy areas, giving you freedom to ride in all kinds of conditions. It works like an electric scooter, making it super easy to control, even for beginners. A full battery gives you up to 20 kilometers of riding, and if you want to go farther, just add a second battery. Whether you're exploring snowy trails, riding over sand dunes, or cruising through tough backcountry, the Futuristic Freeride is built to handle it all. It's the perfect mix of fun, power, and convenience, ready to take on your next adventure wherever that may be. By 2035, Japan is expected to face a shortage of 3.8 million workers, and some industries are already feeling the impact. To solve this, they're turning to robots. Say hello to SPD-1, the small robot that's making a big difference. It's smaller than a soccer ball and weighs just 3.5 kilograms. SPD-1 is designed to inspect and repair sewer pipes. It can work on its own or as part of a team of 3. One robot leads, another scans for problems, and the third handles the repairs. How cool is that? Now, all that's left is to find more operators to help make this technology even more useful. Speedar, the robot that walks, crawls, and flies. Speedar is an amazing new robot from the University of Tokyo that combines crawling, walking, and flying in one sleek design. Unlike most robots, Speedar has powerful thrusters built right into its legs. These let it create lift as it moves, helping it crawl with ease while taking pressure off its motors. This special movement gives Speidar great balance and agility, even on rough or uneven surfaces. But Speidar doesn't stop there. When it's time to take off, it uses those same legs to fly. No extra parts needed. Its precise control system makes sure the thrusters don't interfere with each other, allowing for smooth and stable flight. Speidar is a major step forward in robot design. It proves that the future isn't just about robots that walk or fly, but about machines that can do both, switching between land and air with ease. Spider Robot. The Spider Robot is a giant, lifelike robot that looks just like a real spider, minus the ability to climb walls and ceilings. Built using a 3D printer, this amazing robot moves in a super realistic way, thanks to its smart design and powerful system. It's powered by 26 motors, 3 in each leg and 2 in its body, that work together to let it walk, crouch, lift its legs, and even pull off a fun little dance. Even though each motor isn't very strong on its own, together they create smooth, spider-like movements that are fascinating to watch. Best of all, the Spider Robot is really easy to control. You can guide it with a joystick or an app, no complicated setup or programming required. Whether it's crawling across the floor or showing off cool tricks, this bionic spider is exciting, fun, and a little spooky to see in action. It's the perfect mix of technology and entertainment. Would you like this written for a script, article, or another type of content? The Miami Bull plus DARPA LS3. Ever imagined a robotic bull? Miami has brought this idea to life with the Miami Bull, a futuristic version of the famous charging bull from Wall Street. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's not just cool to look at. Robotic mules like the DARPA LS3 are already hard at work, assisting military units by carrying heavy gear across tough terrains. These advanced machines are constantly becoming smarter and more capable, showing that the future of robotics is not some far-off dream. It's already here, making a real impact in the world today. Tiny hopping robots are set to revolutionize small-scale exploration. These lightweight, agile machines can jump, making them perfect for crossing tough, uneven terrain where wheels or legs would struggle. Inspired by the movement of insects and animals, they can leap over rocks, gaps, and other obstacles, making them ideal for missions in disaster zones, underground tunnels, or even on the surfaces of the Moon or Mars. Some of these robots are as small as a coin, but are packed with sensors, cameras, and solar panels. Their clever design lets them work in swarms, covering large areas, gathering data and reaching places that traditional robots or humans can't access. Despite their small size, these hopping robots have massive potential for exploration, opening up new possibilities for gathering data in hard-to-reach locations. When Titanoboa was first revealed, it quickly earned the title of the world's largest robotic snake. At a staggering 15 meters long and weighing 800 kilograms, this robotic marvel was truly a sight to behold. The team behind its creation spent 4 years perfecting it, and it's clear all that hard work paid off. Not only did they design it to slither on land, but they even had plans to make Titanoboa float and move underwater. Now that's a bit creepy, right? With its massive size and unique design, Titanoboa definitely stands out in the world of robotics. Forget the Loch Ness Monster, this robotic snake is one creature that's impossible to ignore. X-Fly. X-Fly is an amazing flying robot inspired by nature, combining features of both birds and insects. It's the first robot to use a special wing flapping mechanism along with a unique sensor and gyroscope system that keeps everything steady, even while the wings are moving. This makes X-Fly super smooth to fly whether indoors or outside. You can easily control it with a remote or smartphone, and it's simple to fly with just one hand. With a full charge, it can fly for up to 12 minutes, reaching speeds of 20 kilometers per hour and covering up to 100 meters. Despite its toy-like appearance, X-Fly has caught the attention of the French military. But here's the best part. Anyone can buy one. X-Fly is affordable and accessible to everyone, making it a fun gadget for all kinds of enthusiasts. Yugal Robotic Bicycle. Let's take a look at the Yugal Robotic Bicycle, a futuristic bike that can balance and ride all by itself. While there isn't much detailed info available about a product called Yugal, the idea fits right into the world of smart, self-driving bikes. Yugal might be the name of an advanced AI system, a self-balancing mechanism, or another high-tech part that helps the bike stay steady and move without needing a rider. Even without the full picture, one thing's clear. Robotic bikes like this are part of an exciting new wave of technology. These bikes use smart sensors and computer systems to stay upright, avoid bumps and obstacles, and even follow paths on their own. It's all part of the move towards smarter, safer, and more convenient personal transport. Imagine a bike that can take you where you want to go, no pedaling needed. The future of personal mobility is rolling in fast, and it's looking smarter than ever. Stick around for more amazing tech that's changing the way we move. The Ines Vision Tunnel is a groundbreaking transportation concept that could transform how we travel. Imagine high-speed electric or maglev pods racing through smooth, enclosed tunnels that reduce air resistance, making the ride incredibly quiet and fast. Built with safety, speed, and sustainability in mind, these tunnels could connect major cities in just minutes, drastically cutting down travel time, reducing traffic, and lowering carbon emissions. Powered by clean energy, the Ines Vision Tunnel offers an eco-friendly and highly efficient way to travel, bringing science fiction to life. This is the future of transportation. Fast, smart, and game-changing. Engine AI SE1. A Chinese startup called Engine AI, with an investment of $500,000, is quickly catching up to Tesla. While Elon Musk's company is still working on its Optimus robots, aiming for a 2026 release, Engine AI has set its sights on something sooner. The company plans to produce and sell over 1,000 units of its humanoid robot, the SEO-1, by 2025. The SEO-1 moves almost like a human, walking at speeds of 2 meters per second. It's powered by electricity, offering a full 2-hour charge, and there's a convenient quick battery swap feature. With powerful processors from NVIDIA and Intel, the SEO-1 uses AI technology for smarter performance, making it more functional and efficient. Could this be the beginning of a new era for humanoid robots? Future concept urban. We're entering a new era where the world faces serious challenges like climate change, global warming, resource shortages, pollution, and issues such as an aging population, poverty, unemployment, and a widening income gap. These problems are making our future uncertain. Even though new technologies are emerging, old ways of doing business are harming both our economy and the environment. We urgently need change. To protect the environment and remove the obstacles to global growth, we must be brave enough to innovate and rethink how we operate. Only then can we build the future we all hope for. That's where Urban Future Group UF comes in. They're using knowledge, cutting-edge technologies, and innovative ideas to create pilot projects around the world. Their mission is to help the world's most ambitious cities turn their dreams of a better, sustainable future into reality. The future of healthcare is being transformed by innovative technologies that promise faster, smarter, and more personalized care. AI-driven tools are now able to detect diseases early, while wearable devices monitor your health in real time, making healthcare more proactive than ever. Robotics are aiding in precision surgeries, and telemedicine is delivering expert care straight to your home. In addition, advancements like gene editing and personalized medicine are enabling treatments based on your unique DNA. Together, these innovations are shaping a future where healthcare is not just more advanced, but also more accessible, efficient, and customized to meet the needs of each individual. IBM Quantum System 2, the future of superfast computing. IBM Quantum System 2 is a powerful new quantum computer introduced in 2023. It's the follow-up to IBM's first commercial quantum computer, Quantum System 1, but with major upgrades. This new system is designed to grow over time. Thanks to its modular design, you can add more qubits and boost its processing power as needed. This makes it highly flexible and ready for the future. At its core is IBM's most advanced quantum chip yet, called Osprey. It features 433 qubits, making it the largest quantum processor IBM has ever built. IBM Quantum System 2 is more than just a faster machine. It's a big step toward building full-scale quantum supercomputers. It's designed to solve incredibly complex problems that are too difficult for today's traditional computers. From scientific research to business innovation, this technology is opening the door to a whole new world of possibilities. The JEDC-X is a cutting-edge drone built for efficient, autonomous deliveries. What makes it unique is its ability to deliver packages directly to windows or balconies, allowing customers to avoid public spaces entirely. With advanced navigation systems, the JEDC-X ensures accurate and safe deliveries in busy urban areas. Powered by electricity, it's an eco-friendly solution, while its autonomous design reduces the need for human involvement in the delivery process. Designed with convenience and sustainability in mind, the JEDC-X is transforming the future of last-mile deliveries. It's also a great example of how technology can improve access to important services, especially in areas with limited infrastructure, helping enhance things like healthcare delivery. The Metro Typhoon is a revolutionary waste collection system that makes garbage disposal cleaner, faster, and smarter. Instead of relying on traditional garbage trucks, it uses advanced pneumatic technology to transport trash and recyclables up to 4 kilometers through a system of underground and above-ground pipelines. This automated solution is designed for residential areas, hospitals, business districts, and shopping malls, helping to reduce pollution, traffic congestion, and noise caused by conventional waste collection methods. Developed by Robotic, the Metro Typhoon is already transforming waste management in over 40 countries, offering a sustainable, efficient, and eco-friendly way to keep cities clean. Microsoft HoloLens 2 step into a smarter reality. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 is a mixed reality headset that lets you see and interact with 3D holograms in the real world. Launched in 2019, it's the improved version of the original HoloLens. What's great about HoloLens 2 is that it's fully wireless, no need for a computer or cables. It runs on a custom Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 processor and gives you a wide 120-degree view, making digital content feel more natural and immersive. With advanced sensors, the headset accurately tracks your hand movements, so you can touch and move holograms using just your hands. There's also an option to use a hand controller if needed. Built-in speakers and microphones allow clear communication, and it also works with Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're at work, in the classroom, or exploring creative ideas, HoloLens 2 makes learning, designing, and collaborating more interactive. It's a smart tool that brings digital experiences into the real world, making everyday tasks more engaging and efficient. NinjaSat X-Ray, unlocking the mysteries of space. The NinjaSat X-Ray is a state-of-the-art 6U CubeSat designed to explore the most powerful X-ray sources in our Milky Way galaxy. Developed by Riken Research Institute, Japan, Mitsui Bussan Aerospace, and Nanoavionics, this compact yet powerful satellite is set to revolutionize space research. Its mission? To observe black holes and neutron stars, especially those that experience sudden bursts of X-ray brightness. By studying these cosmic phenomena, scientists hope to uncover new insights into how matter behaves around massive celestial bodies. What makes NinjaSat X-Ray special? Advanced X-ray monitoring technology for precise observations. 2-year mission in low Earth orbit for continuous study. Collaborates with ground-based observatories to enhance research accuracy. While the exact cost of NinjaSat X-Ray remains undisclosed, its potential impact on space science is truly priceless. This version keeps the engaging tone while making it even more reader-friendly. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks. O'Neill Cylinder, a giant space neighborhood in the sky. Imagine living in space, surrounded by forests, lakes, and even towns. That's the big idea behind the O'Neill Cylinder, a space habitat concept first proposed in the 1970s by physicist Gerard K. O'Neill. This futuristic design features 2 massive cylinders, each several kilometers long, spinning in opposite directions. The spinning creates artificial gravity, so people inside could walk, eat, sleep, and grow food, just like on Earth. The inside walls would hold everything from farmland and homes to parks and rivers, curving upward in every direction. Giant mirrors outside the structure would bounce sunlight inside, creating natural day and night cycles. This makes the environment feel familiar and comfortable. The spinning not only creates gravity, it also helps keep the whole structure stable. Built to support thousands or even millions of people, the O'Neill Cylinder could be a real solution for future space living. While it may sound like science fiction, it's actually a smart and inspiring look at how humans could one day live in space, comfortably, sustainably, and without losing touch with nature. Space Perspective, a luxurious journey to the edge of space. Ever wanted to see Earth from space without the intense speed of a rocket? Space Perspective offers a smooth balloon-powered ascent that gently lifts you 100,000 feet, 30,000 meters above Earth, giving you breathtaking panoramic views. The 6-hour journey includes a 2-hour climb, 2 hours at peak altitude, and a 2-hour descent. Inside the Spaceship Neptune capsule, you'll relax in spacious cabins with padded seats, a bar, and even a restroom, making it a luxurious and stress-free experience. Best of all, no astronaut training is needed. Anyone can enjoy this peaceful, eco-friendly space adventure. Seats cost $125,000 each, and commercial flights take off in 2024. Starlink is transforming the way we stay connected, and it's only just getting started. Using thousands of small satellites orbiting close to Earth, SpaceX's Starlink delivers fast and reliable internet to even the most remote corners of the world, places where traditional internet cables can't reach. But Starlink isn't alone in this mission. Amazon's Project Kuiper, OneWeb, and others are launching their own satellite networks to connect billions more people everywhere. Unlike regular internet that depends on underground cables, these satellites can provide internet service anywhere. Whether it's in rural villages, on ships sailing across the ocean, airplanes flying high, or even disaster-hit areas where infrastructure is damaged. As this technology improves, space-based internet won't just keep up with fiber optic speeds. It could become the main way we communicate, not just here on Earth, but also between the Moon, Mars, and even farther into space. This new era of internet from space promises to bring the whole world closer together and open up possibilities for the future of communication beyond our planet.